Chat. I don't know what happened. Internet decided just to dip. Internet bo isia hela na ke jore ne isia la kae. Bo isia entogela. Ha ke jore anong ke a go duela for dio ntse ke di ira kana yang. Go lebaka me. This is my third. Chat, this is my third one again. This is my third one. Bile pula yan. Yeah, it's the third. Alright, cool. Eish. Internet imbola ile hela male ya ke jore e vaile hela like it was off. Ke gone boang ya. So I have to start the live again. But for those that pull through again means a lot. It means a lot. We're also live on YouTube if you wanna go see the full screen. Or calendar YouTube da. Or calendar YouTube da if you wanna see the full. Like after the live, I checked YouTube. Did a jang network. Nah, get like that. Yeah, this is RP. Negur lemona. Negur mata. Alexi, Wi-Fi ile like that. Sure, boss. Now it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. Yo, guys, thank you for pulling through. We had about 100 people who were watching. I guess but internet didn't really dirty down. Again, if you don't mind, please let's try like the live so that people can see it. Watch it gets slippery on those curvy roads. Cool. Noted. Several kilo restart in 15 minutes. So let me get this delivery done quick. Tsunami tlo go e tshara. Ka e gata yaanong bas ngaten truck. Eish, internet e le mpolaile banoetse. O bona re kgwebo e serious e itsantse e ira yang. O tsa petrol le full tank all the time. Take a lot ba go nena la half tank. O ba re o hetse go deliver. Wait till I do a 24-hour stream. Wait. Kala go drifta be care reduce speed. Ka tla gore ga speed ku tsunami ya cha la bona lona. We are continuing or we are starting from the beginning? I'm continuing. Johnson, I'm continuing. Cool. I'll see when to plan the 24-hour stream. I'll see you when, and then I'll let you guys know. Clear streamer man. Fingers are crossed. Don't worry. Liam, ke bone message out. I'll reply later. 24-hour stream ka di 26. Chat, should we make it to 26? Anytime is cool. Naban, le maka boron kana le go di go magaeng naban. Gaps. Wena. GC. What ka bontsi ba mo GC akere? I strongly agree on the 27th because some on the 28th will be returning. Okay, guys. 24 hours stream got the 27. Should I make a poster? Kasani. Okay. Nice to know someone is watching all the way from Kasani. So they gotta get a lot of let trauma. Wait. Make a poster. Yeah, I'll make a poster. Let Hakani. Okay. So they go na take a lot of Hokakala or Hamalita Galorano. Yes. Bana take a lot of attention. Bana Cuba no do ish. I can rat go ha, but I ask him about to escalate matica lotte high malita, basket about 10 minutes left. You but what take a lot of basket about? I got the hang of it. Give more brothers to solo fell. Okay. Alright, cool. We'll collect the BK. What are you doing? Guys, I've been given a job. I can deliver petrol. Live in SA. Yeah, this is live in SA. So I've been grinding my like that. I wanna do illegal stuff. Legal stuff, I mean. I wanna stop with the heists. I wanna stop with a lot of things. I wanna be clean. What I get naga tsunami tlo go e tshada. Ba re lone mona be kete ma tshwere le troko le ke tsora ra go ka nako. Yeah, tsunami e tla ba di tlhagane. How are you? I'm fine, and you? Gibbs, I'm leaving soon. Oh, okay. Ghetto. Hey, la, oskan toga chief. Oskan toga. Ah, cool, no problem. Hurricane. Ah, Garabarukwana is just trying to kick in. Euro Truck, no. GTA 5, my guy. Come so at Tameka. Oh, for sure. Yeah, usumula go roma tsunami. Yeah, around that time. Being close to the water scares me. The guy escaped the back rooms. Wait le Usopp ba iketlile. When are we ending life? I'm not sure. It's not Euro Truck. It's GTA 5. GTA 5 roleplay. Cool. Ke batla go nna ke joina your life as ghost. Ka goreng? Letty where's Letty o irile nna one. Ditas, am I following the map? Are you gonna make it though before the tsunami hit? Oh. How many shift left? There'll be 2 left. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Hela, ke a watsela. Hambre ke thula. Track e slow ya o tsedisa. Remog, I need your help. No, DM me so I don't remember. DM me first. Malita ga tla ke reng yana mape. Let me pull over. Nako ya cha. Hey, there's no time to pull over. Ke batla music. Me I can make it. Ke ha, dide ke ha. So I go engine later. Pula ya heta ka tsona. Ba re go kgakala. I don't think I'm gonna reach there before. I don't think so. Na ke shoko tsoga kwa yana ne bana. Should I go up? Fuel lo ne go tlase. Ha e bonang game. Bro, this place was far, chief. It's far, bra. Apele track e para mankudu. I'm not gonna make it. Why? Yo! SS. Oh. Hela. Let's never. Eish. Should I just push? That's scary, bruh. Yeah, people are leaving the game. I think fly out. What if I Chad, yeah. Eish. Can I sound the heads for you? It's 8 mesh now. Bruh, sound ile ki utlwile dog better di tsebe mana ki utlwile. So if eish. Ke batla meter wa ka malate. I'm not sleeping without that meter. Langa o tsela yang. I'm gonna sleep as a millionaire today. I hope y'all get off track and then I call that guy to come help me ka petrol. But I'm always having problems. Alex, you are right. I'm always having problems when I'm about to get my money. All the time. I thought you were exploding. You should push for more. And this guy, if I can do a good job, I can promote and give me more jobs. That means more money. That's some fine camera quality. Yo, thank you, man. Thank you. Guys, I deal with cameras, by the way. Those that don't know. So that's why it's clean. Apart from just having the camera, I also deal with guys, if you are new here, please do follow so you don't miss out when I go live again. And also we are live at YouTube. So if you want to go watch the full screen, then YouTube. FX what? Nah, bruh, relax with the camera. Relax. Yo, thank you for the follow, my guy.
Straight out the fucking mud, so I can't spit it if you're in the slums. So.
Kapela libasop zitin kanjan izijazam makhelwane wafop ubiza boba wizijazam asida ligestok hawbiza bona wizijazam sake ba yegalo hawbiza bona wizijazam
afunga ngwashima
I'm unemployed. How am I unemployed? Can't go learn unemployed. Yeah, parent. What time are you getting up again? I love the music. It's an actual camera. I hope the track is there. Where's the track? Ow, bana. Eish. I usually never get a matata. Wait. Is the FC tournament still on? Are you friends with Amari? Nah. Aish, let me call this guy, brah. o tshwanetse o itse situation e ke mo go yone.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached. Please try again later. The number
I don't
you
know
have
where's the
dialed
track,
cannot be-
bruh. Ghost Ilian, it's not online.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached. Please try again later. The number you have dialed cannot.
Kante na bana ke nna ke sokolana na bana. Like everything was going well. Ke delivera, go le monate, doing my thing. I missed church. Ne go batla call tone yone orange. Call Paul. Okay, let me call Paul. Oh, kana mthagola nana le Paul la ke.
The number you have dialed cannot be reached. Please try again later. The number you have dialed cannot be reached. Please try again later.
Eish. Which car should I call? So this game is way familiar, labeled Silo. Yeah, dog, it's just like the Garabutelo. Guys, which car should I call? Which GTA is this with engine filling station? It's called the server is live in SA. Go filling station. Which car should I call? Is the FC oh, no, that FC tournament is done, bruh. Velocity M1 kana GT kana Golf 6 GTI. I don't have the 7R here. I'll have to go get a go garaging. No, I don't have the 7.5R here. I don't have it here, but I have it at the garage. What's here is the Golf 8 GTI, the Golf M1, and the Velocity. What happened to the job? No, I still have the job. I just have to go. Oh, Paul, you. Yo, Paul.
Away.
Sharp. Are you with Ghost?
No, it's playing back in now. What's up?
Hey, I was delivering and the tsunami came. I left and came back. The truck is gone. So I have to go start that delivery again.
Yeah, you have to start all over again.
Hey, bruh. You see that I'm thinking about that meat now. Ish.
Nah, don't stress it. Just I got you already did 2. You only left with 3.
Hey, no, I did 3. I was left with 4, and I wasn't left with 2. I was left with 2.
I got the third one. You were get it by tsunami when you were doing it.
Oh yeah. Ish, yeah, ne?
Yeah, where are you now, Ken?
I'm somewhere, bruh. I was on the road going to deliver, and then it's chat.
Send me your live location.
Let me try. Cause I was about to call.
Yeah,
I was about to call my car.
Nah, you can send me your live location. I'll pick you up.
Okay, just hold on.
Alright.
Paul. Live location. This is the live location. I gotta send location. Okay. Yeah, send to your iMessage.
I can see it. Okay, I'm on my way. Oh yeah, what the?
Alright, sharp.
Wait, let me check the rate. Let me pick up on the map.
Are we?
Wait.
I need this game, please. Yeah, it's for PC. These people are so nice, bruh. I've never found employees like this. Like, yo.
PK.
What's up?
Send it again. They send live location and lay location straight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one say funny things expired. Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, send my location.
Yeah, I can see it. Away.
Yeah. Flexi, yo, yeah, I message Malik that. Police alive, say. You're on your way, ne? Yo, Paul. Canocan City. Oh, he's on his way. To make it worse, I can take myself selfies, but Malik, they're on outside the app. Can I go on inside the app? Can I inside the app? Let's see the look while that sunset. Look at that. I think it's here. Okay. I think he knew. This game is dope. Hey, kill. Ay. Hey, la. Hey. Eish. I'ma have one of these cars one day. Yo.
Yeah.
Bruh, this game is just something. I saw Ghost is back in the game. Oh, he flew in.
Yeah, we're gonna meet at the garage. You can drive so I don't give you headaches.
Sharp. Let me move that side. Thinking. Shift. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Now Spirit Garage. We're gonna meet him there.
Yeah, can I hear the pipe?
Hold the space bar to do it.
No, I know. I was just asking permission if I can hear the pipe.
Away, bruh.
I bet.
Salute.
Yo, chat. Can you hear that? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I bet. Alright, let's go.
Okay, salute.
Wait, put the map. I can't see. Damn.
Just go straight, dude. Postal 7101. Just go straight.
Okay. Yeah, just show me where to go. We can't hear. What do you mean you can't hear, bruh? SS. Eish. Ayizokhwetsa wena man, o di kwaba. Wena mona, maleta kole e khwetsa. E taboga thata ya na control. I don't know what happened, Malita. I seriously don't know what happened. Tusang ora swa. Blow his filling station up, bruh. Bo. I'm fired. Kikubilwe gale. Kikubilwe. SS. Hey, I'm fired, Marita. I'm fired. I'm fired. Why are you guys laughing? Yeah, the whole thing blew up, bruh. Like, born. The whole filling station. The whole engine now it blew up, dog. But this guy died, bro. What's this? You know, every time I make money also, I thought I had a good mediki. Yeah, I can play FC. Look who you about to evaluate, dog. It's chai for his car, bruh. But I don't know why I'm always having problems with this. Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow me. Yeah, I am Togolo wait. Pepe guy, you can eat. That guy is coming. Bonar ki chachu buka tabana.
Flex X, bruh.
Hey, bruh. Hey, the guy is gonna fire me, ne? You. Yeah. Come on, tell him it was a mistake. It was a mistake, bruh. You saw. The car was. Yeah. He's gonna fire me, ne? You.
He's...
No one died here.
Bruh, I don't know. I don't know.
Again.
I don't know what happened, bruh.
Man,
Bruh.
like
Ow.
thanks gone, chief. What's
Ow.
happened? No one
Bruh.
died, most. Oh my god.
Hey, bruh. It was first time driving a expensive car, bruh. I was too excited.
You bought a GLS today and then it was bombed today.
No, I'm not the one who bought it. It's for Paul. It's Paul is
Oh,
JL.
it's for Paul.
Yeah.
My brother, you're in deep shit. So, how much does GLS cost?
Yeah. The
Ah.
bad.
Aye.
Or is it in short? It's in short. It's not in short if you are in deep shit. This is GLS, man. Do it like.
It's insured. It's the work one.
It's insured.
I the
Yeah, it's insured. It's the work one.
Oh, you
yeah.
lucky, man. It's the company car.
Mudimu Mogolo, man.
Hey, Mudimumu Olum.
Is
Minir, how can you drive over the tanks, Minir?
Minir, you know what happened, Minir? I was trying to make a young
Ngamshish. Sebapomene la. Nel-spray. Anguthiyazi la kuyapoka la. Nangu PK. Uthi motor yecompany ifaka ematenkini uthi ufuna ukuzobo abavuphawo into
Ama-drifting.
ama-sports wakafaka i-GLS ku-sport mode awubhamuza amatenki la ungikhostene stoko nje sazosebenza ngaholi manje bengicela nje ozongithobela yona imoto le and then uzoyicollecta lapho kuwe ngasikhathi. I became fun. I think you still gonna work, chief. Like you cost me a lot of stuff here.
I'm sorry, my brother.
Okay, chief. It costed me a lot of petrol. Let me check how's the stock is going.
BK was the one doing the trip there before the tsunami.
Oh, it's the one. Did he finish the trip? No, he didn't. He didn't finish the
It
trip.
disappeared. No, it didn't make it. It disappeared on the highway.
I didn't make it back.
It's fine, PK. Why are you using an Android? No one is allowed to use an Android in our family.
But from here I'll make sure I'll buy an iPhone, bruh.
I'll give you one, eh?
Okay, okay. I was
they're
saying,
giving me one
can you give
iPhone.
him that because I wanted to check if I have the other one there.
Nah, I have like we must 6 in the other car.
Okay, cool.
Ah,
Yeah, PK.
bruh, they're giving me an iPhone, bruh. I love my
Just
job.
bomb the stock. This one. This one code is good for this one. He was supposed to be fired by now. This is a new phone, PK Chief.
Hi, bro.
He's not supposed to be fired by now. Let me know if he's
yeah.
not locked. The others are stolen. You see, others are. Oh, man. It is what it is.
It's a skis, man. Alright, cool. So let me check.
Me, I was told he bought a new car. He was overexcited, he's celebrating, going through the. So how many? Oh, why does the other tanks exploded? Because at least we were supposed to blast one, man. But you blast
Massive, he was drifting this one.
two. Eh.
Bruh, the car is too fast, bruh. I couldn't control it.
Man, you brake
If you
before,
can't drive
you
GLS,
brake.
man, how are you gonna drive a Lambo? You said you wanna drive a Lamborghini, man. But how are you going to handle a Lamborghini if you can't handle a GLS?
Eish. Eish, bruh.
But then it's fine, PK. The luck is still on your side.
Yeah, it's a learning curve.
Yeah.
Hypo.
Stay.
Hypo.
It's fine.
Hypo.
Learning, eh?
Hypo.
PK,
Hypo.
less anymore. Can you give him like body
Never,
golf?
never again.
Hypo.
He must
Hypo.
have, like golf one, yeah, boy. Even a
Yeah,
Lambo. I was
if
thinking
Boss
that
Mania was here, I was gonna torture you for his car.
I wanted to borrow him a Lamborghini, but
Ah, wow.
Nah. You must start there with Austin Martin.
I wanted to borrow.
Martin is too fast.
There's a party on Saturday. I wanted to borrow the Lambo.
Yeah.
There's a party on Saturday.
Yeah, there's a party.
Where's the party?
I don't know, but the last time the party was at the yacht, at the beach.
Yeah. Okay.
Paul, you were there, ne?
Yeah. I was part of the hosting team.
Yeah. Bruh, Ghost, this guy was trying to kill me. Jason was trying to kill me, bruh.
What? Good reason?
I don't know for what. Say, please. Did you shoot them Rolala music video? Yes, I did.
He's a cop, but he tried to kill you.
Huh?
Jason is a cop, right?
Yeah, he's a cop. He was not on
Kill
duty,
you.
but he tried to kill me, yeah.
Yeah, but if you are a cop, you can't just kill people when even if you're not on duty.
You know Jason.
Yeah. Then get
Don't
a
know
lawyer.
Jason. That one is a different one. That one.
Get a lawyer, sue him.
Don't worry, I'll sue him. I'm gonna sue him 10 million. That's the money I need to start my life.
Yeah. So get a lawyer. And then maybe he's gonna tell you what to do. You're gonna open a statement. Then do you have an evidence?
Hey, I have the clip. Yeah, I do.
If you have evidence, then it's fine. A lawyer, get him arrested as well. Because he said he arrested another nice lady, Kiki. Just imagine, arrested Kiki. Make sure he get arrested.
All right. You see,
that one is the problem.
A lawyer, I will borrow you money to pay your lawyer. And if you don't have any money, but by that time you will be making a lot of money, chief.
All right.
Yeah. So get a lawyer, sue him. Your lawyer is gonna tell you what to do.
Okay.
I think Paul is gonna help you getting a contact with the lawyer and stuff.
All right.
Yeah. I will get sorry. Don't worry.
Why does it
But also, Boss Ghost.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say this, bruh. Ish. Let me look the other side.
What do you wanna say now, chief?
You see, the reason why I wanna work hard, ne?
Yeah.
I want a wife, man.
Hey, let me talk to you.
Brother Pum Pum, brother Pum
Ah,
Pum.
oh la,
Brother
oh
Pum
la,
Pum.
oh la,
What
Oh la,
happened?
oh la, oh la,
oh
oh
la,
la.
oh la, oh la, oh la, oh la.
Brother Tiger, brother Tiger.
Hey, what happened? I see smoke, man.
Masaken.
This place.
What was burning? What
Salute.
was burning?
Pumla.
Eish, I can explain, bro.
Pum Pum, brother Tiger.
And then Linda will merely change really.
Ask
I
that
told
one,
you
ask
to
that
wear
one, ask that one.
I told you because the first time in comedy Z10,
Bruh.
Z5, Nembuzo Z. Yeah. Should be there.
Ask that one.
Because a new
Ah,
car here.
Don't
ah.
run away.
Take a company
Explain, Minier.
Took a company car. It decided to drift with the company
Let me
car.
open the CCTV here.
You're drifting with a company car.
you know what
He was
happened?
drifting with the company car.
Let me
because
explain.
The company has stock too. So
Let me
keep
explain.
quiet.
Let me explain.
Explain.
So they give me. I've never driven an expensive car. It was too fast for me. And you see over there, boy. You see over there. You see by that 10, eh? I was trying to drift, and then it lost control, and then I come hit these things. You see, and then I hit the tank, and then I hit the tanks.
But how do you drift with SUV?
Okay, man, bro.
Eish.
How do you drift with
It's
SUV?
not just an SUV. It's a company car for the security guy. Imagine one lady calls, you need a security there. The car is bombed there.
If I use my mathematics skills, my Pythagoras, that is 180 degrees, bro. I don't know what happened. That's a
stock.
The company
Hey.
Stock is gone as well.
What happened?
The car is gone.
Eish, brah.
Moving
This
it,
guy
no?
trusted the company.
Today was a bad day, brah. Eish.
But you are moving it.
I'm-
let's be
I'm-
honest.
Come here. Come.
Tiger, this one must go there, kill a goat by the mountain there and throw the bones.
Boots is wearing
This
Bo.
one, you must
Bo.
slaughter a goat, this one.
Paul. Can I talk to you here? Paul, can I talk to you?
You need to slaughter a goat to have good luck, Minier.
You see, Paul.
Yeah, Minier.
You see, the reason why I'm always talking about getting a hand, bruh. I need something to fight for in life. I need someone to, because I'm reckless with my life because I don't have a wife.
You get a wife, don't worry, you'll be sorted.
Bruh. You see, I'm making these jobs. I'm not sleeping. I'm here drifting with your cars and messing up my job. I almost got fired, bruh.
Don't worry, you'll be sorted. When I will, the right hand will come in city for you.
Eish. But bruh, Ghost is a guy. You.
Yeah.
I thought I was.
When I buy the wife, you must be very fast. Because every time a nice wife comes in city, they grab her fast. Marry now.
Eish. Okay.
So you have to be fast, Minier.
No, do that. No, let's go back. Eish.
That thing of drifting, how do you
Bruh.
drift with SUV?
Don't be drifting in a
Ujita,
filling
man.
station. You drive slow to a filling station.
Mr. Paul, you must stay up there.
Bruh, I'm from the
I
ghetto,
don't want
bruh.
PDs to come and ask what happened, and then they wanna took a
Yeah,
statement and
let me
everything.
dollar the heck fast.
Because it's gonna go jail. This one, it's gonna get arrested.
Don't worry.
Hi, boo. Hi. Yeah. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to go to jail.
Why Paul is removing the CCTV?
I don't want to go to jail.
CVS to help you.
Relax, Chief. So if you don't wanna go to jail, think before you do things.
No, my man, be careful. My man, I don't. I spoken.
Can't be driving to a gas station and drifting fast into it.
Say, the boss is giving you a warning. Whether please don't drift on the gas station. You see what happening with drifting now. I see
You
what
wanna
happening.
die, bruh. You wanna die without getting married. Hey, Chief.
Bruh, I wanna be there for.
Don't do bad things, Chief.
I wanna be there for my wedding, bruh. Hey.
Yeah.
Make sure Guti drift. Take a car, go to the airport there. There's a big space there. You can drift nicely there.
All right.
Because drifting in this garage, how you gonna die? There's too many ghosts here living in under the garage. So, one mistake in this garage, you are bent.
So gonna.
But then yeah, Minier, Tala finish the trips there.
Okay, yeah, you can finish the
Yeah.
trips PK.
I don't wanna go to jail, bruh. I don't wanna go to jail.
Relax.
I don't wanna go to jail,
The
bruh.
footage
I
has
don't
been
wanna.
deleted.
Relax.
You want me to go to jail?
I'm working on behalf of you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Pumlani just settled everything for you. You lucky.
Oh, I'm nice.
As you said, the God is with you. Are you nice? When I just continue with the jobs, then we will talk later. But don't worry, we'll get your full payment. We will pay for the car as well.
Thank you, bruh. Hi, boo. Yeah.
Don't worry, Chief. Yeah, but this is your warning.
It's my last warning.
Yeah.
Hi, boo.
Even Cairo never bombed
I'll make sure.
the filling station.
And
that one is a character, that's why.
I'll make sure I will never do this again. It will never happen again.
Don't let Cairo be better than you, my man.
Go to Sandy there. There's an old strip there. Go there, thrift there, bruh. Then come back here when you know how to thrift. Don't thrift around. One day you'll give, just imagine you bumped Makoko. Was saying just to get a cold drink there. He was passing. Then he sees you. Hey, you are arrested, Chief.
Hey.
Mr. takes people away. He doesn't play the
Can I drink? Can I drink on the job?
No, you are not allowed, Chief.
My man.
No, it's just
don't drink coffee.
You.
I was just asking.
No, you are not allowed.
Okay. Cairo's gonna be a better employee than you.
Okay, you drink while you're driving, bruh. You're driving in fuel, bruh. That thing is very dangerous. First off, hey, let me leave you. If you cost my stock again, Chief, I'm gonna bury you alive this time.
Okay, no, it won't happen. It won't happen.
Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna put the hand grenade in your underwears there, or I will see what I do.
Hey, boo.
Sure. Yeah, trust me, man.
Do not let Cairo be better than you. Do not let Cairo be better than you, Minier.
Do not cost us stock, Chief. First thing.
Cairo doesn't cost us stock.
So make sure, Chief, that you don't cost us stock. Then me and you, we're gonna be fine. But if you're gonna cost me stock, then
stress! Yo!
I think it's fine.
Is Omega back or?
I don't think it's back. Let me check it. I don't think so.
I'm gonna call him on the emails. How to check if it's back or what?
And the parking, what you call it? The thinking there, you. After it, thinking, you hit F1 to scroll up and down on it.
Can
you see them once again?
Slash and then it's F1.
Yeah, no, just say T then F1 to open the list again.
So you can see everyone.
Yeah, but then automatically when you fly out, then you fly back in. The list for you restarts for you.
Oh, so you must make sure that you check.
Yeah, even if when you get a head pop, the list is gonna start for you from the time you didn't see it.
So you won't see the previous list.
Yeah, you won't see the previous list. You only see the list after you join.
No thanks, but for letting you know.
Then you dial F1 again.
Hey, but I have a little stress, yo. I can continue with the job, ne?
Yeah, my man, continue with the job. Do not bomb the filling station again.
Okay.
Okay, let me just go back to TT and fix your SUV.
Wait.
Yo, TT.
Pum Pum, you got the number plate, Mus.
Plate, ne?
Even me, Paul, maybe I want to get some food and...
Yeah, I want to get food to Ish. I want to call Cairo to make sure that they don't do trips at the same time, these guys.
Yeah, you can call him and then we go to a supermarket. Thank you, TT.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Away. Thank you. Away.
Yeah, BK, push the trips there before Cairo game comes here.
Okay. I'm going to... Okay, cool.
Don't be like Cairo, my man.
I won't. Never. Yes, Malaitaka. Being employed is tough. Mike, you don't beat. I'm looking with him. I could be fired. It's no. Hela. I can't ke flexa E. Hi bo. Malitaka ya gana. Malitaka. Hey, like a reload skin. Thinking. Where is it? Oh, there we go. It's sharp. Ah! Ah, na kya kubiwa. Ano mo kimmo? Why did it two? Favorite streamer, what's up? Ah, why chilling? Why did it two ya no Malitaka? Why tunya kwena to ta kya kubiwa? Yeah, ya you. Wait. I don't deserve none of these jobs. How am I gonna deliver on time? Nabana? Eish. Hey, skill let's a man nebana. Eish. I don't think these guys have to know this, bro. Can I get a regular phone? This phone has been. I'm talking another phone is spanning. I don't think it means getting another phone. I'm talking another phone is spanning. Yeah, but I tell Android now. Let's back up. They have CCTVs. That's the thing. I can't call Paul. Paul can. Hey, Paul, mana. Paul can like them. Malita, I can't call Paul. Can't tell me I know Android. I'm hybrid. Yeah. What la mang? Yeah. Babuni CCTV. Can I let trauma know? Ish. Cutting. Use F1 to flip over the truck. For real? Kaya naman. Untenga stress, wait. Oh, I can. Oh! See ya, ho, see. We like banana water nose. See ya! That's not bad. Mo slow, so to tobo. Wow, so. I had king sa flipper. Shit, I have flipper. Why? It didn't flip. Aish. What last thing? Why is it not flipping the car then? Why keneka? Ah. Kizi mutu mwa kolo yiyo. Yeah, ba go real. Yeah. Yeah, who's this? Yo, what's up?
Wait, bro.
Sure. BK, ne?
Joe, I'm with you, man.
Alright.
What happened to the gas station?
Hey, bruh, there's some guy who came drunk here and then he hit the place, bruh. Ish.
Damn. I know these locals, these drunk people, man.
The locals, bruh. The locals, bruh. Ish.
I'm out of gas, ganja.
Yeah, you're out of gas, Haibo. Come, you can this side. You can come use this side. You see this side? That side. That side works. That side works. You can go park your car over there and pour.
Sure.
This is what? This is a Polo 60.
Yeah, no, it's 8.
It's a Polo. Hey, Haibo. Levels. Yeah, pack that side and then you can pour your petrol, man. Why is okay now? But I like this car, bruh. Where are you going to? Who am I speaking to?
I'm easy.
Who? Nice to meet you, bro. I'm BK, ne?
Nice to meet you, BK. Nice to meet you. You work here, man, or something? Because I see the uniform.
Yeah. I work here. I was just doing my delivery, so I just thought I could just say hi. Let me go back to my job.
Nice to meet you, bro. Maybe we'll bump each other or something.
Yeah. No problem. Sure.
West.
Sure. Eish, malitaka. Which one like na matshelo? Na matata botshelo itse. There we go. Chat, Ramanat. Ha! Pick one the other side. Okay, let me take this one out. Should I take the blue one or the red one? Yeah, let me flip the other one. Use the blue one. The red one, okay. Yo, chat, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow me so you don't miss out when I do go live again. And also, mister, go back and flip the truck before they come back. And also, we are live on YouTube. So, come watch my YouTube. Otsa kai trailer. Mo mepeng batla mpontsha hore ke etsa kae. I need to go closer so that I can flip it. Okay, I think I'll flip here. Dumelang, what's up? Sen, thank you for the phone. Amalita ga ya ga flippy ya ke e togela. Go le fela disappearile. Everything. Malita, but before I start, because can I let stress Malita before I start, ne? I gotta want the camera on. Can I want to since before I start, let me do this. Kata on stress. Kata on stress agar haibo. Kata blick labeling yan lakin sa stress Malita. Kaya jura kan drink on the job bar niya. Kata blick labeling yan agar. Kata black hasing yan agar. Hey, ke tagilwe. Haibo, ke tagilwe yo, ke tagilwe. Ke lang kanwa manalone yo ke tagilwe. Yo, wi. Ay. Yo, nya. Mapil. Kota ke ja babalas. Ke ja begaranya na babalas kintse. Babalase. Aha, arawel. Arantana ra pusha span. Pusha span. Ramanata anu. Why? Pusha span. O level. I can go this side. The camera na rudi timila ke na malage tsa go thula kwa. Na ra mosadi ka mo manga mo maso. So, this is our third one, ne? ene ke tla go ra go nkoba mothako le monesh. Thank you, peace, thank you. Yeah, third one, cool. Are zamela go go. Ne ke yona ne ke ntsha stress malita ke sne hamre ke thula motho la mo ye la wena. Ne ke ntsha stress malita. Eish. That was a traumatizing experience. Hape ke ile go ni nda. Ke costile company stoko. So eish. Metsi a teng. Metsi a teng. Tara ke yona metsi ko pele. Tara ke tsa delivery bo ke yona metsi. We love your stream, bro. You can watch them the whole day. Thank you. Advocate. Thank you. Means a lot. Breathalyzer. Anga kopana le police eya. Ba police no, yeah, they can use breathalyzers. And then also you can go to jail, guys. Actually I get Spanish ke itekala koloi ke go ya ka iPod ke go ithuta go drift. Mathata ke di camera. Eish, I just hope about the check. I just hope about now di. Le nna ka no la go tirong. Kwa le nna ke ra wes. O khwetsa ka motho a tagile tota. Ao banna le ra gore go a bonala. It's too evident. Guys, if you're watching this for the first time, do follow me so that you don't miss out when I go live again. And also, how about on the full screen? Then go YouTube. We are live on YouTube at remmogovisuals, so you can check me on YouTube as well for the full screen experience. But king kara wa diega yana. The road yake tsering kara ine le short again compared to the last one. They're gonna check to see if white track really flipped. Hey, lawe. Ish litiwa buoids. I'll try it like we attempt to get one. We flip up. Tama chief, tama. How about 12? Hey, I wanna do like a 24-hour stream. People were suggesting the 27. I wanna do a 20-hour stream. Kya bu 3 guys. Kya bu 3. I'm pressing E, my guy. Yeah, Pepe. I'm pressing E. Let's see more like straight. Kana gongwe track e blue ke yone e tsang go mo a se etse we ka e red. O khakala tsena le shona bana. Oh, all right. Ke ntse mmepe anong. Something is wrong. Wa bona e blue ke ene e tsang go mo malitaka. A see. Go dile blue pila ke re. But ke isa bontshe gore ke boela yang kwa. I don't remember engine no guy. I don't remember where that engine is. Engine ya teng sore bo bapile le nna kwa. Tsamaya o tla bana go pele. Call them. How do you get this mod? M5. 5M. I think it's this one. Because it can't be this one. This one Imotawni. If it's not this one, it's this one. Ah, it's this one. I make a sure maybe that's the engine. Which one like it's never smooth. Imagine the blue one needs Amail. Yeah, I want to believe it's the blue one. Okay, engine digger kids. Engine. I think join him minebana. Hasio nagere. Ish malita ish. Take left. Motho ke batla go nthula o tlile go thunya go mo latla ke na le final warning iketli. Oh, and that thing is on the yellow, still on the yellow thing. I don't think I'm gonna remember. Kitleyana. I'm gonna get lost. Bagger left.